how to get traffic to cam offers. It's the same thing, really. You got to have a good offer that's a cam offer, and there's a lot of good cam offers out there. Okay, there's ones. I would say Chatterbait is the biggest. Okay, and I think My Free Cams is the next biggest, and like Royal Cams. There's others, My Jasmine or whatever, and then there's ones called Bongo Cams or whatever. The point is, here's the thing about cam offers. I've only mentioned this once before, I believe. All the cam offers are saturated with paid traffic because there's so many users and all this stuff. I mean, when they got first promoted, which was probably years ago for each one of those I mentioned, when they got first promoted, it was like they got blown out of the water with advertising spend, okay, probably millions of dollars. And so there's already tons of users, but if you do this, you're gonna get conversions with cam offers, okay? And cam offers are very powerful to get conversions on because they're so easy to get conversions on. And if you do rev share, you can also make for each person you refer. If they spend money on a cam site forever, you pretty much get a percentage whatever they spend forever. So that's cool, but it's hard to tell who's going to actually spend money on a cam site, okay, that you send traffic wise. You don't know, okay? So you could choose to do rev share, or you can choose to do direct, paid per lead that you send, okay? Now, here's the thing. Free traffic is the best way to promote cam offers is what I'm alluding to here. Free traffic, and that would be you make content, once again, somewhat adult related. And wow, we got a lot of good questions coming in. Perfect. Jeez. And you make a lot of content, okay, that's adult related. And then down below, I mean, you just literally link to as many adult offers and high converting offers from multiple other CPA networks and affiliate networks that you find. And you're going to literally get a lot of conversions because a percentage will always convert on every offer you promote. So why not have a whole offer wall of a ton of offers, okay?